Okay, the very interface you are seeing now is the MetaTrader 5 interface, and this is a demo account with 9999 account balance. That's 9,990 account balance. First thing you do is your own like this, please.
What do you say?
I said, is your own account balance up to 9,000 or 10,000? $9,999.
Not yet. Now I have not found my own.
I know. The demo account I asked you people to open.
Okay, to open. I did not open that one again today.
Okay, you didn't open demo account today.
Yes.
Okay, you can go and watch our video, or you stay after the class. You learn how to open the demo account, and you can open yours and log in to MetaTrader 5.
Okay, no problem.
All right. Looking at this very chart now, we are going to decorate our charts so that it will look like something that will actually communicate to us, because we are starting a very good analysis right now. Now, from this chart, can you see it?
Yes, I can see.
Where I'm touching now, can you see where I'm touching?
Yes, I'm seeing it.
Okay. Since you can see where I'm touching, everything is okay. Now, in this very down part, this first one is the main chart window. All this place I'm touching now is the main chart window. Here is the indicator window.
Okay.
From here, you can click this line where I'm touching now. You can click this line and drag it down. Just click. When this button appear, you drag it down to adjust it to any level. You can drag it down. Are you seeing what I'm doing? You drag it down to change the position, and you can actually set it to whatever thing that you like. Okay, from here, let's go and decorate the chart. I said in the previous video for you to add something on this chart window, you click on the F2 here, the place I just clicked now. When it open, you click on F2 at the right corner here with F sign, with the plus sign. This is the main chart window and the indicator window, like I said. Can you see both of them now? So we are adding something to the main chart window here now. From here, we want to add parabolic SARS. Parabolic SARS is an indicator that shows us the direction of the candlestick pattern. That is the reason why we have to add it. Just click OK, and we want the color of this thing to be red. Click Done. Now we have our parabolic SARS. Can you see the red dot that just appeared?
Yes.
Okay. This red dot, whenever it is at the right side of candlestick that is red in color, and the red dot is at the right, it means that the trend is coming down, and that will tell you to sell. You will stop buying and you will sell in this case. Remember, I told you that you can analyze market in different time frame. We are using the 5-minute time frame. Can you see where I touch now?
Yes.
That's the 5 minute time frame. And when you click here, this red ring, this ring now that just pop up, you can click the 15 minutes 1 minute, I change it to 15 minutes now. The chart will have something, a new look. Can you see the look now? Are you seeing the new look?
Yes.
All right. This chart, when I change to 30 minutes, it will change. Can you see it? Now, one of my trading strategy is that you trade in the direction of the trend line, and for you to do that, you must understand when trend have changed direction. From this point where I'm touching now, the trend actually changed position. What happened at that point is that from here, the candlestick, the green pattern, which is the bullish candlestick, stop and the market reverse down. Can you see it?
Yes.
And continue coming down up to this place, and we are in 30 minutes. So let's go back to the 5 minutes chart. From this 5 minutes chart, can you see that the market is going up again?
Yes, it's on the left side.
Now let's go to the indicator, our indicator here, the place I'm touching now, the downside. Can you see it where I have my line, the faint line that labeled 30? Can you see it? Can you see here the line there?
Okay, the blue line.
Not the, yes, the blue line and the white dash line.
Okay.
The white dash line down and up, both of them are our indicator line. When this candlestick move below 30, our indicator will go below 30. Can you see something here? At this point here, the thing here is below 30. Can you see it? So now it's below 30. It entails that you buy, because the thing will go up again. Is in one of the PDF I sent. So from 30 to 70, you take profit. Your 70 will be your take profit, and you will also sell down again. When it's below 30, the principle now I'm teaching is that when this market is below 30, you buy.
Yes.
When it's above 70, you sell, because the market is going to turn and continue coming down. So let's confirm that. As you can see from here, from this very point of the candlestick where it changed pattern, can you see it? The market entered overbought section, which is above our 70, and the blue line is above 70. So you sell. Had it been you enter this market here and wait to take your profit below 30, you would have collected a massive profit. Can you see it? From here to here, and you would have sold from here to this very point. Can you see it?
Yes.
After now, I will be sharing a picture that introduces all these candlestick pattern. Now let's go deep in explaining the candlestick pattern one after the other, what is happening in all of them. I remember I sent something in this group, the hammerhead candlestick pattern. Let's start with that. That hammerhead is a candlestick that whenever it appears, the market will reverse and start going up. It means that you buy. Whenever you see hammerhead appear and the blue line here, which is the fractal, I hope you all know how to add the fractal.
I don't know.
Okay, you watch our previous video to understand. So from here,
Okay.
from this point here I'm touching now, here, can you see that shape of candlestick that appear there? That candlestick is called hammerhead candlestick. That very candlestick, whenever you see it, it means that the market is going to go up. And when you want to look at it is when the market is below 30. You start looking for this type of candlestick with fractal, and when this red dot appear 1, 2, you enter the market on the right side. Like here, when it appear this side, it means that the market will go up, while when the market is at the top, when it appear this side, can you see it? Directly opposite.
Yes.
It means that the market is going to go down. So after this, you are going to set your own chart to look like this. I will also open my own RSI indicator here, and you people will look at it and set yours to be like this. By tomorrow, I will continue. So also from here, when the market, okay, let's confirm it here. Look at it here now. At this point, the market, here I'm touching from the indicator RSI. The market is below, can you see it here? The market is below 30, and that hammerhead have just appeared. Can you see it? With fractal.
Where?
Here, at this point I'm touching now.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, the hammerhead appeared. It tells you that the market is going to reverse and go up. So you just, from this point now, when you see it, then from here now you can set your entry point to start from here. Your entry points to start from here. Let me change the color of this. So this is our rectangular bar now, rectangular tool now. I've just edited it. So from here now, when you see this, you can put your entry here at this candlestick to enter it. From here,
7.
from here to here, you can set your take profit. While here,
Okay.
you can place your stop loss directly below this. Whenever a market cuts below resistance zone, when it breaks it, it continues down. Can you see it? Now, from this explanation I did here now, at this point, this market was turning. At this point, can you see them? The market turned here. The market turned here. Please, can you mute your mic, please? The market turned at this very point and break this resistance zone, which here the candlestick have respected. Here it has respected it. So from here it breaks, the thing continue downward. Can you see it? Here it breaks and the market went up and continue going up. So at the end of this training, I will be giving out my own customized indicator. All these indicators we are using, they are all default indicator for now, but I will be giving out my own customized indicator which will communicate to you very clearly. So from this market now, you can confirm the hammerhead here that I'm touching now. The hammerhead is there, and that's what caused the reversal at that very point. So let's move on. So now, when you want to enter a trade as this market is moving now, what you look at is the two resistance zone here, the blue line, the blue dot, that are the fractals, sorry. You look at them. The candlestick tries to break the first one but failed. The candlestick tried but failed, and it reversed down. So at this point, what you will do is you will look at it, you will look at this candlestick and watch it. Wait for this parabolic as the dot here to appear here. Let me on another application, please. Can you exercise patience? Hello, are you there? Huh? Okay, I want to be drawing on the screen. When these dots appear here, can you see where I make drawing? When it appears 1, it tells you to enter the trade. And when this candlestick, this very candlestick here, passes through here below this and breaks this blue line here, from this drop down I did here, this line, this market will start moving down. And by that time, when it crosses here, the parabolic stars which I've set, a dot will appear here. So before you enter a market, hello, can you mute your mic? Hello, sir. Can you mute your mic?
Hello?
Sir, we're having interference from your microphone. Can you mute it? Touch the microphone to mute.
Okay. It's okay now.
Okay, no
It's
problem.
okay now.
No, it's not turned off.
It's okay now.
It's not, sir.
Huh? What will I do now? Because it's showing red. What will I do now? Because it's showing red.
Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. Let's continue. So are these very
Showing
points?
green.
Okay, you can leave it.
Okay.
So at this very point now, when this market cross here, it will continue down. It will continue down like this. It means that the market have reversed. A dot will appear here. Another one will appear like this, showing that this market is done. So you wait for first dot to appear, second one to appear, and this will break down this parabolic size, this fractal here. From this zone, you can set up your trade, and whenever it occurs at this point, you enter the trade. So now, let's go to our main aim and objective. I told you people that whoever that wants to train with me, he will start with the amount you intend to invest. So anybody who wants to start with $50, we are going to do a tax now to reduce this amount to $50 and also to apply one of our principle, which I said you don't trade against the trend line, and I've been able to teach how to discover the trend line, how to know the market's direction. So from this point now, let's go to trade. You enter trade by clicking here. If you don't know how to enter trade, at this point is where you enter trade. You click on it. So now we are buying. The market is going down, so we are buying. Can you see a confirmation of fractal up? I told you that fractal will appear here, plus the dots that will appear like this, indicating this type of structure coming down against this one here. When this happens, the market, and at this point we are draw that it will continue down. Okay, let me place my rectangular bar there so that when it cross, we all can actually see it. This is rectangular 2. Whenever you click on it to appear, you just drag the screen down. So now we are buying. Now, buying in this case, we are editing to the highest lot size in this market, which is 20. The highest lot size here is 20 and the lowest is 0.10. I advise in all your trades, you start with 0.10, please. So we buy with 20 to burn down the account, to blow the account. Can you see the type of loss we are having? $100, 80. Can somebody respond, please?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Since you can hear me, we bought it at that very point. Here now, are you seeing we are losing 200?
Yes.
All right, we are losing 120 now. So, and a tick here means that a tick is 20. Can you see it? When this tick up, when this movement move up here, this candlestick, one single tick here is 20. Y in 1.0 or a single tick is 0.10. So it means that it will tick 10 times for you to get $1 with 0.1. Y in 0 and 20 like this, when it ticks 10 times, you're already having your $200 as profit or as well as loss. That is just the thing. So our aim now is to bring this account down. This is one of the way which you can bring the amount down. Then you go again, set it, sell the trade again, make the trade double. You buy again. So if there are 2, I think 2 is the highest limit you can, or amount of trade you can enter here based on this market. You can then go to other markets to start trading. So for the purpose of this class, we are going to learn only these 3 markets: step index, volatility 100 index, and volatility 10 index. So because of this, I will be removing the rest of the unnecessary markets here. So let me just edit this and remove them all. This is how to add. You click the plus sign to add. You click on volatility index. You select volatility 100, and you also select volatility. Okay, 10 index is already there. All right, these are the 3 markets we shall be looking at. So we'll go to our volatility 100 index charts. Are you there?
Yes.
Okay, I'm having a very poor network. Okay. Thank God the network is here. So in this case, as you can see, the parabolic stars has appeared down here. Can you see them, the dots, telling us
Yes.
that this trend is going up? So as this thing is going now, what we'll do is we are going to sell down. We are going to sell down. We are going to sell. That means we are trading against the trend line. Okay? And we use the same 20. We click on sell. We also enter again and click on sell. Okay. If these 2 markets, these 4 markets that we enter now, if they can run against us, oh, they are running in in our own direction now. So if they can actually go against what we predict, the account will go down as quickly as possible. And when it's going down, just watch it. Even though when it goes down and tells you that the account is 0 minus, just go back to your account and click on deposit. Then we put back the 10,000 on this account. There is no need for you to open another account. Don't panic. Just when you put it like this, and at the end, if this account should blow, it will remain like maybe 100, 200, 300 or 50 or $20. So but the best approach is you'll be using your hand to stop them. To stop, you hold and highlight any particular trade and click close. So we've just taken a profit based on that. Okay, it's like it's coming down. Okay. In this case, since this market don't want to go down, it's going down. So what you do is, anyone you place, when it gets to $1,000, you cut it, take it out. When it gets to loss of 1,000, you cut it off. Like this one, you hold it, click close, and you will be on loss until you reduce this account to the amount which you can deposit. Now, at this point where this thing is happening, this is simply called retracement. All the things that is happening here is called retracement. The market is trying to retrace. It's trying to retest back and continue going up, while here resistance zone, both of them are trying to resist the thing from going up back, and it's coming back. Now what happened here is a kind of double bottom here. If you zoom this screen down this way, you will notice that something like that has occurred previously. Can you see here? Can you see here? When I place my rectangular, when I place my rectangular tool and drag it down at this point and shift the screen, you can see that that very zone is almost closer. So this place here, they are respecting that zone. So I'll change this time frame so that we can see clearly. Can you see that this candlestick bottom here is respecting this fractal here? This is on 30 minutes chart. Likewise here, you can see that very one there.
Yeah.
So it means that this very one here respected this one, while this one here respected this particular one and tried to go up. Are you getting it?
Yes.
So at this point, if you trade something like double bottom, you will actually make it. You trade this point, you also place trade here, knowing that when it gets to this place, it might respect this zone. So if you're online watching it, you can actually enter trade from this very point. And once you see confirmation, as you are monitoring the trade now, once you see confirmation of parabolic SARS dot here, you you know that the trend have actually reversed. You watch it, then you control your excitement and your profit that you'll be seeing. So when you look at it and see that the profit is enough based on your plans, you can actually end the trade and take your profit. As you can see, we're already at $700. So, and one thing you must know that you will take trading like as if you are playing, but know that it's a serious business. Take it as if you are playing. The playing aspect of this chart we are doing here now will help you to overcome the psychological effects of controlling fear and also excitement. When you are trading on real account and you are looking at your money going down, you say, I'm losing. You may use out of fear, you leave the market, you're already at loss, and at the end, the thing didn't go much far, but reverse also and also continue going up. You will regret. So now, always use higher time frame to understand the direction of the chart. I will be releasing a key. When you open your chart, move to 1 hour or 4 hours. Like on 1 hour time frame here, at this point where this fractal market returned down, can you see that? At that very point where I circled now, the market reversed, and this is on 1 hour time frame. On that 1 hour time frame, when you look at it, you see appearance of one dot. Is somebody hearing what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay. In less than 10 minutes, we shall be rounding off this section. At this very point, when you open your chart and look at higher time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame, and you see a candlestick that the market has reversed down with 1 or 2 parabolic size dots, that is these dots here, all these dots here. When you see any of them appear, and you see any of them appear on a higher time frame, it means that the market is going down. What you do is you sell. Okay? Why? When you look at the higher time frame and you see hammerhead candlestick like this one here, like this one, all these ones, can you see them? Can you spot them?
Yes.
And you see 1 dot or 2. Always remember, when you see it 1 dot on higher time frame, just go straight to smaller time frame, change your time frame, change your analysis chart pattern time frame to 5 or 1 minute, okay? And you enter sell, knowing that the market is going down. If it's down, you know that the market is going to come up. Now at this point, can you confirm 1 here now? At this point, can you see appearance of 1?
Yes.
and it have break that limit, which I told you people then that when it breaks this limit, so at this point, if we sell down, if we sell this market, we are going to make profit. So, and at the same time, let's implement what we are doing to reduce the account. We also buy. So, are you seeing it? The market is continuous. The movement has continued downward, and this market break, it has broken this very point here. The next candlestick will extend this movement downward, because we have seen only one here. It's not going to be one, and it can't be one. It must be like 3 before it reverse. Can you see these 2 points that I draw now?
Yeah.
Always take cognizance of this very 2 candlestick pattern. And the best approach for you to view this is to keep your phone in landscape mode. Can you see my screen now? I just changed from portrait to landscape. So when you are looking the chart from landscape view, you will understand that you understand clearly the pattern of the movement of the candlestick, the market.
Nice.
And you can also draw your own lines. Like as I place this line here, you are seeing that this market is moving zigzag, 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 zigzag. Can you see them?
Yeah.
So you can draw your lines, and you say duplicate. So now in this case, you say I want to trade only the center of this line. Can you see what I just did now? I said I'm trading only here within this zone. I'm trading within this zone. So now what you do is you apply your principle plus your candlestick pattern and your candlestick pattern. Whenever this market gets to this point, you watch for the candlestick pattern, your indicator to report, and you will know that the market have actually changed position. So below this now, you can place your entry to sell, while here above this your line, you can actually place it to buy. So another day I will be teaching how to place trend lines for analysis, and also I will be sending pictures of candlestick patterns for you to know them. I think we are going to call it a wrap, but first of all, let's go and monitor our trade and see how it's going. Are you seeing it? This is the last trade we bought. Why this one is the one we sold? So you can keep monitoring this. This thing is going to continue down because it has broken this very limit here. And let me also use this opportunity to tell you this. Whenever you see a very long candlestick, like this one, implication is that the next one is going to reverse up. So if you want to trade this pattern, I advise you set your entry point towards the end or even at the middle of it, but I advise you place it towards the end. When you place your entry here, how you do that is you go straight to trade, and instead of using this current market execution here, this one, you go straight, click the drop down, select sell limit. It will ask you to provide the price, but before then you must have used your rectangle tool to drop at this point or here or anywhere and copy this point 7442.7 7442.7. when you enter here, sell limit, where you see price here, you type in 7442.71, you click place. In this case, we have not actually entered the trade, but we have set this trade to enter. And in that case, you set your stop loss, you shift the thing back. You said let your stop loss be at, remember to put stop loss 7473, the price. You go back, can you see it? He said the here now is saying market placed. So you hold it, modify position, stop loss here is your stop loss, take profit. In our videos to come, I will tell you how to calculate profit and loss. We are going to learn it, how to calculate profit and loss. So you come here and click to add that very 7483. Can you see the red line? Click modify. When you go to the chart now, okay, the market reversed very close, always directly at the middle. It didn't go further, it reversed down, but nevertheless, whichever way, I know that the implication is that it will reverse. So at this point now, when this market goes to our setup, it will automatically enter the market. So what this pattern means that you can do your setup, and after doing your analysis, you can place the trade and start going to any point you want to go. Okay, let's start closing them one after the other. Please remember to bring your account balance to what you can deposit and train with it, please.
Okay.
I think we are going to call it a day. In the video,
Okay.
we have actually learned when you see close by, it means closing all at once. You click close by, everything will disappear based on the same market.
Okay.
Okay, we are going to look at fundamental analysis, but not today. And on December 25th, I will be releasing detailed full market principles, which I will be giving out for free for everybody to take. I will list down all my principles and you will just follow it, and also you can also develop your own principles. All right, good night everybody.
Okay. Okay, thanks so much.
God bless you. All right, let's call it a wrap. Bye.
You provide the video, ga?
Yes, it's going to be available now.